Oh, that's a better stick. Look, Bluey. Bluey, look. Look at that. He got it! Hooray! He's like, this is my stick, this is mine. Now I'm gonna chew. Bluey, what are you doing? I love you, Bluey. Let's go. Let's go. Go on, Bluey.
What'd you find? Oh, daffodil. It's pretty. Okay. Go up the road.
There's no bugs on it.
Okay, go up the road. This way. Don't go this way. Come on.
This way. I'm gonna bring this home and put it on the table. Put it in a soft cup of water.
Mm-hmm. Come on, Bluey. Come on, let's go for a walk.
No, Bluey.
Let's go for a walk.
I brought your stick, but no daffodil. Bluey, Bluey. Go. Smell it.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Do you remember what that one's called?
Daffodil.
That's right.
You just said it.
Aren't you smart?
Not really walking. I don't know what's there.
He has a spot that he likes to go potty.
Come on, bro. Go on. I gotta daffodil in water.
You want me to stick it in the water for you?
No, I can do it.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a big rock that I just stepped on. That was nice. I was like, no, wait, let's see.
Oh, wait, it's not the end of our walk.
Yeah? Boy, I'd say so. Look at that. Look at all those green tops.
You got a couple in the middle there.
I know, I see that.
How do you do that?
I think that's from the chickens scratching.
Oh.
See, I got eggs.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
You look nice with that blue background.
Yeah.
It's a party out today.
Lots of garlic.
So exciting.
Look at all this moss growing along the edge.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's pretty.
Why is that doing that?
I don't know. I like it though.
Cool.
You know me and moss. I love my moss. Hello. Is everybody having a nice snack? Wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, look at who's underneath there.
Hopefully she's not fishing.
No, she was just out a minute ago.
See?
Let's check on our sick duck. This is Quackers. Hi, Quackers. We brought her in 2 days ago. The kids found her outside and she wasn't able to move. And we quickly realized, yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Mama. You're feeling better, yeah. That she was having a niacin deficiency. So we've been feeding her peas, which she loves. And she's doing a lot better. She was standing up on her own today, so we're going to give her the rest of tonight to get stronger. And hopefully tomorrow she can go back out. Do you want some water? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Are you eating your peas? Mm-hmm. What a good duck. Okay, I'm going to let you have some time to yourself, okay? Yes, a good mama. We've also got some new eggs incubating. We've got a couple duck eggs and some chicken eggs. They've been in there for 5 days now. So pretty exciting.
My son is asleep.
Really? Hi. What are you doing?